Okay, just got off the Hicksville train here in Floral Park. Never been to the Fleetwood station before. I've passed it tons of times, but I've never been to it actually. Now, on the way back, I'm gonna get off at Maryland Avenue because, like, Crestwood. They call it Crestwood because that's where there was something serious going on at a movie shoot. Not a movie shoot, a TV shooting. They were filming TV at Crestwood, so bad idea to use that station right now while they're doing it. Jeez, Tuckahoe. See, on my way back from Burger King here in Queens, I'm gonna get off at Maryland Avenue, not Mineola. Show you a quick elevator ride here, because unlike New Hyde Park doesn't have an elevator, and Maryland Avenue only has one on the northbound platform. Mineola, they have 3 elevators there. So here we are, Queens. Like right, you can basically see where it turns into Nassau from here. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Okay, is this elevator working here in Floral Park? It's not the new one in the real Floral Park. I'm kind of worried this elevator is going to break down. Or won't let me out. Okay, good, it did. Subway performer. The F train doesn't go here. The F train ends at Jamaica. Why would they have a subway over here in Floral Park? So is the E train. On my way to Burger King.